Hi, welcome to English World Intensive Listening Practice Podcast. I'm Les Paris and I've been teaching English for more than 20 years in my own classroom. I hope to help you with a little bit of some of the things that I've learned for listening. Today we're going to do sentence number 2 from the Sarah's Morning Story. We're going to start off with rhythm. First of all, I'll tell you the sentence. She checks her phone quickly. She checks her phone quickly. She checks her phone quickly. Now the rhythm, if we put it to a clap, there's basically 3 beats going on there. I'm going to clap and say the sentence 3 times so you can hear the clear rhythm. She checks her phone quickly. She checks her phone quickly. She checks her phone quickly. Okay, now we've got the 3 beats. Check, phone, quick. Okay, now we've got an idea of what the sentence is saying. Those 3 strong beats give the core meaning of the sentence, but we have to string them together with all the weakly stressed words. We're going to look into the liaison, the reductions, and the consonant clusters to see if we can go deeper into this sentence. Reductions. One of the words is quite strongly reduced. Her. Her starts with a sound. And that sound, the H sound, is often dropped out when native speakers speak English. So we have her becoming Okay, that's our number 1 reduction. There's no other significant reductions in the sentence. Next, we should go on to the liaisons. Liaison is where the last sound of one word joins up with the first sound of another. And it happens right at our reduction. Her becomes starts with a vowel sound. The word before it, checks, s. S is the consonant sound. Sir, sir, xer, xer, exer, exer, checkser, checkser. And that's 2 words, but it kind of sounds like 1. Now let's move into some of the consonant clusters. Checks, ks, kus, is not what it sounds like. It's x, kind of like the X sound, x. And we get X, checks, checkser. Okay? There's no other significant consonant clusters going on here. You could say at the end of quickly, the last word, quickly, quickly, that would be wrong, quickly. So there's our second consonant cluster. Okay? Now, let's see, we've talked about reductions, we've talked about the liaison and the consonant cluster. It's time to practice shadowing. I'm going to say the sentence 3 times. I want you to try and shadow me. That means to speak at the same time as I speak. Your words and my words should overlap as perfectly as possible. We'll do it 3 times here. 3, 2, 1. She checks her phone quickly. She checks her phone quickly. She checks her phone quickly. Now 3 times isn't nearly enough practice. And you don't need to play this video back, again and again. I've made it really easy for you to practice shadowing this sentence. In the description below you'll find a link to this page where you can have the audio play 20 times in a row so you can shadow it very, very easily. And I recommend shadowing it 20 times every day until you master it. You might master it in 1 day, you might master it after a few days. At any rate, even if you master it today, go back in a few days and try again, because your skill goes down after a few days. Well, thanks for listening today and good luck with your homework.